All right, welcome back to part 2 of the walk-in closet series. Glad to have you here. If you haven't checked out the first part, do so. I'll link it down in the description. What we did there is we actually made the room where the shelving unit's gonna go. There's also some good tips about how to frame in a wall, doorway, trim, that kind of stuff. So check it out. In this part of the series, we're gonna start on the actual shelving unit itself. We're gonna do a toe kick, which is basically what the whole thing sits on, and then also a spot to store shoes and things like that. So basically just the base of the shelving unit. It's gonna be out of maple plywood with a cherry face frame. All gonna be modular. It's gonna be really simple. Stick around. Hope you enjoy. Table saws first. Have a guy cut it at Lowe's? Nah. So we just finished up the toe kicks. Super simple construction. Basically, they just prevent you from blasting your toes on the bottom shelf. Next thing we're gonna move on to is the shoe rack. Same length, just a bunch of compartments for your shoes. And we're gonna edge it with some cherry that you'll see here. We'll rip this up and put it on top of the toe kick. Typically you put the face frame on, you build it, and then stick it on. That's not what we're doing here. Because not every single one of my shelves is perfect, I think we have to resort to this method to get a nice crisp joint. It's all gravy. Let's eyeball that shit. Love how this thing came out. Love the look. Feels really nice. That's all for this part. If you like this video, shoot me a like. Tell me what you thought. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, what you want to see next time. Like I said, this is the second part in a series, so if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Check out the other videos of the walk-in closet. We'll see you next time. As always, trust your guide.